explorers, welcome back to our channel. I hope you all are doing well. So let us begin with the chapter number 15 of grammar, and the name of the chapter is speech. So, what is a speech, right? So, speech is basically while the two person are speaking, right? Whatever we are talking, that is known as the speech, right? So, let us begin with the chapter, which says a dialogue has two speech. एक dialogue की दो speech हो सकती है. It is the direct speech or the indirect. So, let's study about the direct speech first of all, which says when the sentences carries the actual words of a speaker, it is called direct speech. Like ये जो sentences हैं ये actual words speaker के carry करते हैं, तब इन्हें कहा जाता है the direct speech. Right? Examples. The teacher said, read properly. My mother said to me, you respect our teachers. He said, I am feeling happy today. After that, he said, I play cricket. She said, I have completed my work. Correct? Now, moving ahead, let's talk about the indirect speech. Now, what is this indirect speech? Let's see. When the speech is reported without the actual word, but with its full meaning in fact, it is called indirect speech and reported speech or narration. तो जब भी हम स्पीच की बात करें जो कि रिपोर्टेड हो विदाउट द एक्चुअल, यानी किसी और ने आपकी बात, आपने जो बात कही उसको रिपीट किया हो बट इन हिज ओन लैंग्वेज by changing the nouns, the pronouns or anything else required in that, वो कही जाती है इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच, बट उसका मीनिंग जो है वो बिल्कुल सेम होता है, राइट? तो उसे हम कहते हैं इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच, रिपोर्टेड स्पीच या फिर नरेशन, राइट? एग्जांपल्स. द टीचर ऑर्डर्ड अस प्रॉपर्ली. माय मदर told me that we should respect our teachers. He said that he was feeling happy that day. Said that he played cricket. She said that she had completed her work. Right? Now, after that, they say that the changes in tense. अब जब हम डायरेक्ट स्पीच को इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच में चेंज करते हैं तो देयर आर सम चेंजेस इन द टेक्स्ट जो हमें करने पड़ते हैं. व्हाट आर दोस चेंजेस? Let us see what are these changes. Direct speech, direct speech to indirect speech. So, is and are becomes was or were. Will, can or shall becomes would, could or should. May becomes might. Does not or do not becomes did not. Has or have becomes had. Was or were plus ing form becomes had been plus the ing form. Did not becomes had not. And had becomes, had remains had. Right? Moving ahead. Now, they say the change in denoting time and position for it. तो अब जब हम टाइम डिनोट करते हैं, राइट, टाइम में चेंज होता है या फिर पोजीशन वर्ड्स में, तो उसे क्या कहा जाता है? इज डायरेक्ट स्पीच या फिर इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच, राइट? तो अब टाइम में क्या चेंज आता है? लेट्स सी. दिस becomes that, here becomes there, today becomes that day or the day, tomorrow becomes the next day or the day after, yesterday becomes the previous day or the day before, last night, the previous night, or the night before. These becomes those, now becomes then, tonight becomes that night, ago becomes before, thus becomes so. Day before yesterday becomes the day before the previous day. Day after tomorrow becomes the day after the next day, or in 2 days. Right? Now, after that, we have the change in pronoun. तो अब pronouns में जो changes हैं वो कौन से आते हैं, right? So here we have the direct speech and the indirect. Now you can see कि यहाँ पर जो direct speech है वो भी 3 parts में divided है. Is the masculine, feminine and the plural, right? So direct speech becomes I. Sorry, direct speech में I जो है वो बन जाता है he, she और they. We remains we in the masculine, we in the feminine and they in the plural. Next, us remains us in masculine, us remains us in feminine and in plural it becomes them or their. Next, you becomes he or she in the masculine, they in the plural. Your remains your in the masculine, her in the plural, in the feminine, and them in the plurals. Your remains your in masculine, her in feminine, and their in plural. Me remains me in masculine, her in feminine, and them in plural. My remains my in masculine, her in feminine, and their in plural. Again, the my remains my in masculine, my in feminine, and self in plural. Then the myself becomes himself in masculine, herself in feminine, and themselves in the plurals. Right? Again, we have the note which says universal truth remains unchanged when converting from direct speech to indirect. ये जो universal fact है, right? The earth is round in shape. वो हमेशा unchanged रहते हैं, whether we write them in direct speech or in the indirect. They always remain the same. We will not ever say that the earth was round in shape. We always say the earth is round in shape, right? So जो universal truth होते हैं वो actually change नहीं किए जाते हैं. That was all about the chapter. I hope you all found it interesting and you all got the thing really well. So that was all, that how you can convert the direct speech into the indirect speech very easy, right? So that was all from my side. Thank you so much and have a great day ahead.